when you said it. I said it. It's funny because you say it so sincerely. Like, what is it like?
Since we know Ahsoka's with Sabine at this time, maybe that would take him to Crownus. So the thing I always dream about is when something I've made up might end up in another property. So I'd love to hear, the new climbing system mentioned.
The shelves in the Target weren't full, and they were extra high because, so you're going to pull right in behind that Volvo, you see?
Okay.
Get out of the way, man.
Get out the freaking car. Go!
Goodness. Yeah, well, 95 is about the major route. If you're
Why in
driving
the
up
world
there.
would you throw your houses on here?
A singing group called Harmony, and that's really where I got to know Colleen very well.
I can't even believe this.
Yeah.
There you go.
I don't like Christians so much, but Jesus Christ guys, but people like Christians not that much. I think what you're seeing now is that people will say, okay, I don't even know if I like that Jesus Christ so much, because the stuff he says about marriage. So it turns out, I say this a lot in my open talks, if people are rejecting the teaching of Jesus, if they don't like the moral teaching of Jesus, don't be thinking their life.
You can literally go. You can go. You can literally drive. I know you just bought the car.
It's okay, I have my back.
It's something heavy I can throw at it. I'm fucking dumb.
Market for it. And that, they might even bring that in something to camp in a couple years. That's just the end. And have it sitting around the camp. That is a good question. Why don't we have the virgin birth? And it's entirely quite simple. Is the virgin birth miracle or myth? And he starts it this way. In an op-ed piece published by the New York Times on saints of the past, and I read things that encourage me, okay? And I'm also reading The Rise and Fall of the Third Reich. I mean, that's a big difference between Luke and Hitler, right? But I'm trying to be wise as to how fallen people...
Right then, someone had it. I know. I was like, oh my god, something terrible has happened.
We're applause. Police evidence. Join the search.
Wow. Wow.
You and all of Judah. You never see that stitched into a pillow. You never see that on a birthday card. Jeremiah 44:11. You open it up and it says, "I will destroy you. Love, Grandma." Thanks so much. No, you don't see cards like.
Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah, it must be a car, huh? Oh man, it's such a thing on pizza. How is that?